So over here you can see that I have a bunch of tasks and I am in the Gantt chart view right now. So what you can also do is you can view your project progress as a burn down chart. So to view it as a burn down chart, you need to go around over here on the report tab right here. And once you go around over here, you can see that under dashboard, you can see burn down is an option. If you were to go around and click right here, then you see the burn down chart right here for the overall task. Like you can see the baseline remaining task around over here. Then you can see the actual remaining task and remaining actual task right here. And you can see the comparison right here. So you can go around and disable out the baseline and enable it out right here. You can enable and disable different sections as you want. Like you can see the percentage completed right here, just like this, and enable and disable different sections as you want right here, like budget and actual work right here, as you can see, just like this. You can go and see the cumulative work right here, the regular work, and so forth. And based on that, you can see that there's a comparison burn down chart right here for each of the burn down chart that is shown right here. Like there's the task burn down and the burn down right here. You can go around and enable and disable different options right here. So that is what you have, and you can even see that you can change around the style of the burn down chart right here, and even choose the color right here, the color scheme as you like. You can go around onto the filter and change around the values according to how you like from over here as well. And that is how you can view the burn down chart inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.